Hello, and welcome all of you in our YouTube channel. Today we are going to create a LED flasher using Arduino Uno and color LEDs. So let's start. First of all, open ProTools software and select New Project. Then go Passive Components and select Arduino Uno board from Component Library and place it. Rotate it clockwise for better connection of circuit diagram. Now we will select a resistance and assign it value 330 ohms to run LED. Let's zoom for better view. I will select an animated LED from Components Library. In my case, I'm going to select Aqua Color LED. And second LED may also be selected to make them blink one after other. I am going to select Green Color LED. Now, let's place positive input for green LED to glow and ground to complete circuit. Now I am completing circuit with wires. Now, let's program Arduino Uno. From Arduino software, I will select examples and then blink code. After compiling this code, I will create HEX file to load in Arduino Uno. To upload code in Arduino Uno, just click on Board and follow the path of code and select HEX file. Click Run button to start simulation. You can see LEDs started to blink one after other. To increase blink rate, let's modify code and change time duration to 100 milliseconds. It will increase blink rate of LEDs. You can see blink rate increased. In next video, we will add more features in the circuit. Keep watching. Please like, share our videos, and subscribe our channel.